So here we're shown this figure. We're told that BC is parallel to AD, and E is the midpoint of AB, and F is the midpoint of CD, and H is the midpoint of FD, and G is the midpoint of AE. So what I'm just going to do is to call this X, then this would be X. Since E is the midpoint of AB, this length would be 2x. And here, all four of these segments are going to be parallel because they are here, right at these midpoints. Question is, what is the length of this GH? So now, this has to do with similar triangles, or at least that's how I approached it. And you'll notice that all of these triangles are similar, starting with a small one on top, and then we have 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles, including the largest one. So I need to look at a similar triangle where the GH comes in picture. So I'm going to call this length, this point X, and I will call this length Y. So we know that 12 to 25, the ratio, because these are similar triangles, would be y over y plus 2x. So that length over this entire length. So that's one equation. Now I have to come up with something that has GH in it. So that would be y to y plus 3x, because I'm going all the way here, is equal to 12 over GH. And I have to see, I can find GH from these two equations. So I'm going to cross multiply this. 12y plus 24x is equal to 25y. That becomes 13y. So I have a ratio of x to y. Here I'm going to do the same thing. GH times y is equal to 12y plus 36x. And this becomes GH. I'm going to divide both sides by y. So that becomes, dividing each term by y, 36x over y. So I really just need the ratio of x over y, which I do have it here, because 24x is 13y, which means x over y is 13 over 24. That means GH is 12 plus 36 times 13 over 24. 12 times 3 is 36, that's 2. So this becomes 12 plus 39 over 2, which is 24 plus 39 over 2, and that becomes 63 over 2, and that is 31 and a half, and that's answer choice G. So yeah, this is a hard question. I don't know if there's any other way to do it. At least I don't know another method, but this is kind of how I approached it. So to summarize, the answer is G.